Anyone who can tell me the answer for question number 1? Okay, easy one. I'll say not very difficult question. The correct answer for question number 1 is option number 4. Yes, that's right. The correct answer for this question is option number 4. So let me explain it quickly. It says A can complete a piece of work in 4 days and B takes double the time by A. So A can complete the work in 4 days, alright, if I'm talking about days. B can complete the same work in double the time, so 8 days. C takes double of D, that is 16 days, and D takes double of C, which is equal to 32 days. What is the LCM of 4, 8, 16 and 32? That is 32. So let's say assume the total work is of nothing but that is equal to 32 units. We are using the unit approach. Okay, let us assume the total work is 32 units. So in 32 units is finished by A in 4 days. So A will do 8 units per day. B will do 4 units per day, 32 by 8, 4. C will complete 32 by 16, that is 2 units per day. And D will complete 1 unit per day. Now it says they are paired in a group of 2. One pair takes 2/3 the time needed by the second pair to complete the work, which is the first pair. And among the options, the pairs are already given here. Okay. So among the options, the pairs are already given. It says the first pair takes 2/3 of the time needed by the second pair. So if I'm talking about A and B, so A and B together they are doing 8 plus 4, that is 12 units of work. Yes or no? So time taken by A and B is equal to 32 by 12. Alright. So A and B is taking 32 by 12 units of time. So 4 8s are, that is equal to 8 by 3 time. Okay. Similarly, you can find out for another pair. If one pair is AB, the other pair has to be equal to nothing but that is C and D. So C and D together it is taking. Okay, it says one pair takes the time 2/3 of the time needed by the second pair, and I need to identify the first pair. If the first pair is taking 8 by 3, then the second pair 2 plus 1 is 3, so that is equal to 32 by 3. But is 32 by 3 is 1/3 of, or is 8 by 3 is 2/3 of 32 by 3? Please tell me. 8 by 3 into 2 by 3, it will be equal to nothing but that is 16 by 9, which is not matching. So of course, first option is simply not possible. Is that clear to all of you? Similarly, if you work around with the options, then you can find out A and D. So A plus D, you can see A plus D is nothing but that is basically 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, 8 plus 1, 9 units. So time needed is 32 by 9. Okay, and then in that case, B plus C, they are taking 4 plus 2, 6. So that is equal to 32 by 6. And remember, 32 by 9 is nothing. If I say 32 by 6 into 2 by 3, that will be comes out to be nothing but that will be equal to 32 by 9. So of course A plus D is taking 2/3 of the time in comparison with B and C. The correct answer is option D, A and D. Is that clear to all of you? So this was easy. I'll say easy to medium, not a very difficult question. Alright, let's move to question number 2.